Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Your video might look blurry after export due to a few reasons, such as low export resolution, incorrect bitrate, or the video format not being compatible with the platform you're uploading to. To fix this, ensure you're exporting at the highest resolution supported by your footage, e.g., 1080p or 4K, and adjust the bitrate settings according to the video's complexity and movement. Additionally, check the platform's recommended video specs to ensure compatibility and optimum display quality. Testing different export settings may also help identify the best configuration for your project.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.